Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellie Marie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna keep going with the week of favorites, but today's video is going to be my favorite part of wash day. My favorite part of doing my hair in general, like my favorite thing to do about my hair, deep conditioning. I think the one thing I splurged the most on is deep conditioners, so y'all in for a treat. So if you're ready to see what kind of deep conditioners I like and which are my favorite this year, then keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I have my iPad here again. Y'all already know the deal, gotta have everything in order. My first deep conditioner of choice, which I actually just bought a new one of it because it was on sale, is going to be the Mielle Rosemarymint strengthening hair mask infused with biotin. Y'all, this, let me just open it for y'all. Ooh, a little heavy. Okay, first off, I love this collection by Mielle. It's probably like my top collection from them. This is what I use probably when I know I want my hair to be deeply penetrated. I want some hair growth benefits, when I want curl definition, and I want extreme moisture. This is what I'm probably gonna go to, yeah. And this is probably one of my top favorite masks. It's probably like number 2 on my list, so it's high up there. So y'all should just know that it works miracles. Good. It smells like straight up mint. I guess the rosemary mint, but it smells straight like mint, and I like minty things. If y'all know me, I love a good smell. This, if you have not tried anything from Meow, then you need to try this. Chef's Kiss. I do have a video. No, I don't have a video on my channel using this because I tried it off camera and I just fell in love with it. And I especially love to apply this with heat. I can apply it without heat and it works wonders, but applying heat just gives it the extra boost to it, and it like, ooh, it's so next on our list is going to be the Target brand Emerge Back to Life hair mask. I have a video up on my channel that I did a review on this product, and that didn't even give it justice. I tried it for the first time, y'all. It felt really good. I love the consistency. The consistency was like the main thing that I really enjoyed about the product. It didn't have like a crazy smell to it. It smelled kind of like wheat or like nuts or like some type of protein or something like that. It is kind of like a protein deep conditioner. It's meant to moisturize and give good curl definition, which I think it gave great curl definition. My definition after using that is top tier. Okay, it's kind of close to Mielle one, but not that close, but it's still top tier, and that one is very affordable. I think they came out with it this year, I want to say, yeah, recently, and I've just been loving it. I purchased it at least twice since that video. I haven't had a chance to go back to I have went to Target. I mean, let me not lie, I went to Target, but I haven't went back to purchase that. But y'all, that is so good. If you're looking for something affordable and it does what it says it's gonna do, go ahead and get you some, baby, because that junk. So next, we're getting through these pretty quickly, I think. Y'all think so? Next, we're gonna talk about my favorite mask, my favorite hair mask, favorite hair mask for moisture. The moisture, oh my god, it just my soul all up together. It just. So if you watch my videos and you watch my channel, I mentioned this mask a lot, but it is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. That mask, when you apply heat to it, immaculate. First off, I think my hair loves it because my hair loves honey, and honey is a humectant, so it draws in moisture. That don't just give me like the moisture that I've been looking for my whole life, you know. Like, I've been looking for you my whole life, and I finally found it. I love that mask. If I had to pick one mask to use, I probably would pick that one. I'm still debating in my head, but that's what I'm leaning towards because it is so good, especially when I apply heat. I recently used it on this wash day. I left it in for like 3 hours. I shouldn't have did that, but I did. Even when you only leave it in for like 20 minutes, that jump is like Vaseline to your hair. Yes. Vaseline to your hair. I think that's one of my favorite products from TGIN in general. Yeah, it is. Y'all, I love that. It is so moisturizing. As far as like curl definition goes, I wouldn't say it gives me a lot of definition, but I love the way it smells. I forgot, it smells just like honey. Not as potent, but smells exactly like honey. Y'all need to try it, and if you have, then let me know how you feel about it down below. So next, we're going to talk about like my most recent one. Y'all haven't seen it yet, but the video is coming. I tried this out. I picked it up from Target, and I did not know that they sold these. I didn't even know they made a deep conditioner for this collection, but it is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask with Silk silk protein and neem oil. It says it is to moisturize and curl define. It does everything it says it's gonna do. Everything it says it's gonna do. This one kind of reminds me of the Meow one, but this one, they're kind of like similar, but I can't choose. I can't choose between both of them, so I chose both. But I love this. The moisture, first off, the moisture is so good, and when I put it on, it reacts better when you add more water to it. My hair, my curls, ooh, y'all, like, I cannot get over how good this was. It was my first time trying it. Granted, I applied a lot, but I'm always heavy-handed, and I just feel like it works better for my hair. Even though they say you don't need as much product, you need more water, I need product and water, okay? I just need both. Please don't hurt me. But this is so good. It smells so good. It smells just like the coconut and hibiscus collection from Shea Moisture. It smells just like that. Nice and kind of like a sweet scent, not too perfumey or anything like that. It smells really, really good. This one is probably more affordable than the Mielle one, so I would suggest this one to you if you're looking for a more of affordable price. It smells so good, and it has a little bit of protein in there. If you're looking for a little bit of protein, this is definitely a good deep conditioner for you to grab. Okay, y'all, it is immaculate. All these are really immaculate. That's why I'm talking highly of them. But they're immaculate in different ways, if that makes sense. So on to the next one. The next one we have is going to be the Dove Amplified Textures. Now, I want to say I don't think this deep conditioner, I think this is the only one on my list that's not Curly Girl method approved or Curly Girl approved or whatever. I think it does have some silicone in there. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure in my video I said that it did. This one, it had to really grow on me. I think when I first applied it, it felt all right. It felt like a regular deep conditioner to me, but once I let it sit and marinate, it felt so good. I do have a video, and in the video I expressed my like review on it, my thoughts on it, and I did like it. But after trying it 2 more times, I really could see like the benefits of it. That one is to moisturize. I want to say it has a little bit of curl definition as well. I'm not 100% sure, but the picture will be on the screen of with the benefits and everything, and it's affordable. I think that's only like $6 or $7, so that is a steal. I was a little hesitant to try like Dove's natural hair products because Dove makes soap and hair products for natural hair. I wasn't seeing the vision at first, but like we're here. I really like that one. Okay, next is going to be the Shea Moisture Power Greens Reconstructor. Y'all, it smells kind of weird. I remember that, and I think it's like a green / orangey color. The consistency is nice. It feels like a little bit thicker than a conditioner, a regular conditioner, but it is good. To me, it doesn't give me the best moisture, but as far as the benefits, it does everything. It's kind of like, I want to say, when I hear reconstructor, I think kind of like a protein. Some protein to like help your hair build its way back to healthy, whatever, even though my hair is not damaged or anything like that. And I think that one, it says to only leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, which is quick. Now me, with deep conditioners, I always sit for more than 20 minutes. It's never going to be less than like 10 minutes. If it's less than 10 minutes, then it's not a deep conditioner to me. That's just it, okay? But I really like this one. That one kind of surprised me too. I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did. Now, I haven't used that one recently. I think I used it maybe 2 more times after the video and I got rid of it, and I haven't used it anymore, but I remember that doing so well in my hair. And I think it's just because Shea Moisture hair products are like bomb. I wish it came in a bigger bottle, because even though it's affordable price, it's like this small, and it took me like maybe 3 times to use it, and 3 times I was like kind of pushing it because usually I'm really heavy-handed, but on the 3rd time I couldn't be as heavy-handed, so I had to apply more water, which I probably should have did in the first place. But still, I like it mostly because it's a reconstructor. It kind of like builds your hair back up to healthy, which I like. I like those moisturizing / protein deep conditioners. Now I know my hair doesn't always need protein, but I do like those, and I think that's what like helps my curls pop and everything. I see how the curls popping. Okay, it's the avocado. I've looked it up, and it's the avocado. It says moringa and avocado with kale, matcha, and green algae. It says it's for weak, dull, and coily hair. It's to nourish and transform. So kind of a little bit of moisturizing, but transform it to like health, make it healthy, give you some greens in your life. You know how they say eat greens, you grow. Eat greens, your hair grow. There you go. There you go. That was a good one. If you didn't laugh, then get it together. You need to get your like humor up. Okay, y'all, so I have one more deep conditioner for y'all, and this one I don't have it, and I haven't used it since my last video using it, which was in my like wash day routine, was my favorite products or something like that. I can't remember. So the last and final deep conditioner of this video is going to be the Alikay Naturals Avocado Cream. So first off, it says cream. So when I picked it up, I thought it was a cream, like for a twist out. But if you keep reading, it's a moisture repairing mask. I need to read because reading is fundamental. Even though it worked out in the end, but still. It says it contains a natural and organic ingredient. I know it has avocado in it and it's green, y'all. I think this is like the funniest mask that I've ever had because it's green, and the little thumbnail I have is like green in my hands. And it's like I'm doing like a science experiment. I feel like I'm doing a science experiment on my hair, but I know I'm really like doing something good for my hair. So it's like, it works out. This is what it looks like. Y'all see that? It look funny, but y'all, I promise, it's bomb. I think I like it because of the slip. It has gray slip. This one is probably the one that has the most slip out of the deep conditioners. I usually don't look for slip in my deep conditioners, so this was kind of like new to me, but I really liked it. The slip is good. It has a thin consistency. It's probably the thinnest out of all the ones I've named in this video. It's kind of like the opposite of everything that I'd be looking for. But again, it's one of my favorites because of the slip. It goes through my hair very easily because of the consistency of it, and I think it's just because of that avocado. I feel like everybody here loves avocado, and I think it's because most of the time we don't put a lot like real fresh ingredients on our hair all the time, and now when we do, it like soaks it up. It loves it. So I don't know. But this deep conditioner is boom.com, and I think that's the only thing I have from Alikay Naturals, to be honest. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. It says it penetrates hair cortex to lubricate hair and improve elasticity to reduce breakage. I kind of like to use that when I know I'm about to put some type of heat to my hair, which is like blow drying. I think that one might be the most expensive out of all the ones I've named, and that's probably why I haven't repurchased it, because I got that one on sale. I got that one on sale last Black Friday. And I love it. And I didn't buy it this Friday. Dang, I didn't buy it. Anyways, it's okay. I have enough Black Friday purchases, okay? And y'all, that video is coming, so look out for that. But yeah, y'all, that was my last deep conditioner, and that was my last of my favorites. Have y'all tried any of the deep conditioners that I said was my favorite? And if you have, are they your favorites too? If they are, please let me know down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found a new deep conditioner maybe that you want to try. Most of my deep conditioners are on the less expensive side because I don't like to pay too much for my hair products, but I do like deep conditioners, so I usually save my coins for deep conditioners. That's about it. I usually don't spend more than like $20. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found a new deep conditioner that you're gonna try. So let me know or DM me how it goes for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to look at the other video from yesterday and the day before that so you can see what's going on, my favorites and all that good jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back.